In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear, actionable task so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to your HubSpot account and logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the Tasks area. Depending on your layout, you'll see it under CRM or under Sales, then Tasks. Either way brings you to the same workspace where all your tasks live. If you use this often, consider bookmarking this view in your browser so it's always one click away. Next, look to the top right and click the Create Task button. This opens a task panel or form where you'll enter the details. Think of this panel as your checklist. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be to act later. Begin with the basics. Give your task a clear, specific title like Follow Up with Client or Send Onboarding Email. Then add notes or a description. This is where you capture the context you'll need when you return to the task, key points, objectives, or links to related documents. A short, action-focused sentence is often all you need. Set a due date, and if it's helpful, add a time as well. The date keeps you on schedule, and a time can help you block your day and prioritize what to do first. Choose something realistic that matches your workflow so tasks don't pile up. Choose the task type, call, email, or to-do. This choice helps you filter and execute quickly later. If you know you'll be calling, mark it as a call. If you're drafting a message, choose email. Everything else fits neatly under To Do. Now associate the task with the right record. Link it to a contact, company, deal, or ticket so the task appears on that timeline. This keeps all activity in one place and makes it easy for you and your team to see the full history at a glance. Assign the task to an owner. You can keep it for yourself or hand it to a teammate. Clear ownership ensures accountability and avoids duplicate effort. Set the priority to low, medium, or high and pick a status like not started, in progress, or completed. Priority helps you focus. Status reflects where things stand right now. When everything looks good, click Create. Your task is now added and visible in your task list. To manage your work, view tasks in the list or switch to the calendar view for a time-based perspective. As you complete items, mark them done to keep your queue clean and your day moving.